Bakmeshwar Raju. I am studying in second standard.
National symbols of India.
National symbols of India.
National animal.
Bengal tiger.
National bird.
Peacock.
National flower.
Lotus.
National anthem.
Janaganamana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National fruit.
Mango.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin.
National sweet.
Jalebi.
National dress.
Dhoti.
National drink.
Tea.
National flag.
Triangle.
National reptile.
King cobra.
National heritage animal.
Elephant.
National game.
Hockey.
National currency.
Indian rupee.
National river.
Ganga.
National calendar.
The saga.
National aquatic animal.
Dolphin.
National dish.
Chichadi.
National emblem.
The capital of Ashoka.
National airway.
The Indian airway of
National library.
the Indian Library of Calcutta. Sports. Athletics, swimming, gymnastics, football, basketball, tennis, volleyball, cycling, judo, weightlifting, handball, cycling. Leaders Mahatma Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Abdul Kalam, Dr. Ambedkar, Kamarajar, Subramania Bharatiyar. Festivals Day. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Holi, Diwali, Dussehra, Diwali, Christmas, Vinayak Chaturthi, Onam. Rashamandan, Buddha. Thank you for this opportunity.